Hello everyone. Tonight is Saturday, April 25th, 2015 at 7 p.m. My name is Victor Shi. This is my first time to make a video demo on a unprecedented special cell-made recipe for a medicinal formula dinner. And you can see right now as I zoom in that there's a bottle of organic kale powder. On the left side there's a Japanese 5 combined kind of imurashi, which is actually a white mushroom. On his left side there's a organic lime bottle, and on the lower left side you can see a bottle of Fiji mineral water, and adjacent to Fiji mineral water there's an empty bottle of French mineral water called Contrax. And on his left side there's a ready cell-made water filled with organic garlic. And beneath the organic water with garlic there's a organic hummus dip. Now I can tell you how to make this dinner, which is very certainly helpful for anyone who is at any age inflicted with malignant tumor in your body. And this medicinal formula is 100% sure to prevent that tumor and to remove once you discover it inside your body. But you have to choose the ingredients, including organic kale powder, wild Japanese imurashi in capsule, organic pure lime, Fiji mineral water, Contrax mineral water from France, which is unfortunately not on sale across the United States, except Japan, Taiwan, and Hong Kong. And inside the big round bowl you will see 4 pieces of organic unsalted fine-grain bread, and you can also see 2 organic eggs decorated as eye. Between in the middle is the guacamole, which is already mixed with organic kale powder. And beneath that guacamole nose you can see the organic hummus, which is mixed with Japanese imureshi powder. And this special dinner is lightly salted, and I guarantee you, whoever around the world is inflicted with a sign of malignant tumor, which can turn into cancer cell, which can be prevented, removed, if you take this kind of dinner recipe every night and also every morning continually for at least 6 months, then your malignant tumor inside your body will disappear immediately. Alright, this recipe is very, very productive and also can boost your appetite. So why not prepare a special food ready to eat like this one that I made a demo. Alright, goodbye everyone. I wish you all the best of health. Bye bye. If you have any question about it, then probably you can contact me anytime. Okay, so long.